Hello AV Club, Steven here. I know it's been a while since I made a video for the AV Club, but this is very useful and it's completely free and it takes less than 5 minutes. Download paint.net and you can cut out a person or an object from the background and make a transparent PNG, which can be used for videos, thumbnails. It's very useful to have. So download paint.net, install it, of course. All right, so once it's installed, the first way and the easiest way to do cutouts of people is to get the magic wand tool. It just automatically selects areas based on color, and you just go and you pick like the background, pretty much. It's very simple since Keanu Reeves is a very dark color and everything else is very bright. Just select delete, and that gets you halfway there. Go and pick the other bright color, like the greens, anything that's not, pretty much anything that's not Keanu Reeves you can pick and delete, right? And you have to be careful, like picking this pink, his lip is actually close enough to the pink that it kind of messes it up. So if it does select things you don't want to select, go to the tolerance in the top left, and then you pick a little bit lower tolerance, and then you can delete that. See? All right, so we're most of the way there, and what you can do to get yourself 100% of the way there is pick the eraser tool. I like to pick a nice large size to start with, like 150, depends on the size of your image, and then you just go through and you just erase away anything you don't like. Yeah, there we go, and we're getting pretty close here, but if you want to get really perfect, you can zoom in nice and close. I'll show you that in a second. All right, like this is good enough almost for just like making a basic meme or thumbnail they don't care too much about. You could get away with this. Now, if you want to get super detailed, hit Control and zoom right on in. You can see the individual pixels of the image. You'll want to go for a smaller brush, like a 50 or below, and then pick the hardness to 100%. That means there will be no soft edges on your erasing, which means you can get pixel perfect erasing on your PNGs that you want to make. All right, and if you mess up, just hit Control Z. I recommend doing like kind of brush strokes. If you have a drawing tablet, this is much easier. If you don't, just use your mouse and just do very simple strokes, because if you deal with stroke and it messes up, one Control Z will undo just that stroke, right? Yeah, you just go around your silhouette and then erase what you need. When you're done, you hit that Control S, actually Control Shift S to ensure that you save it as a PNG, right? So you go here, it tells you where to save it. Select PNG, maybe add PNG to the end of it so you know that's the PNG version of the image. And there you go. You now have made a transparent background for your person, object, text, logos, whatever you want, really. Any picture you can do this with. It's free. 100% free. It takes a few minutes. Yeah, go do it. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.